Hi, so today I just want to share my experience with using Dexpan. Right there is 11 pounds of Dexpan. So I'm here in my basement and I have this huge pile of concrete that I need to break and so I can level this place. So yesterday when I got the deck span and I start drilling holes, as you can see, uh, these were are the holes, and I poured the deck span. So and waited about 24 hours, and then I came down, and this is it. As you can see, all the cracks, all around it. So I use my rotary hammer right there with the inch and a half drill bit so I can make a hole about a 7-inch deep, and then after that I clean the holes with vacuum, pour the mix Dexpan. So basically I mixed this Dexpan with 1.75 liters of water and mix it in real good, and then within 5 minutes you have to put the content in here. So I just want to share my experience, and it really works. As you can see, man, that's a huge crack, and this is easy for me to break this huge concrete here in my basement. So that's it, guys. Just want to share with you guys, and I'm ready to break these things. All right.